perceived two characters from the picture. One is male and another one is female. The age is between 21 to 22 years of age and the mood is positive. The action of my story is exploring the nature. Riya, 22-year-old girl, is a mechanical engineer, lives in Bhopal. One day, she along with her brother planned a picnic near a seashore of Narmada in Badi, which is her hometown. So they packed all the stuff, food, medical aids, and went to the Narmada shore. And there they feed the fish and also clear the surroundings, which was dirty nearby. Then after they also learned about the different routes which is going, and also learn about the origin of Narmada, that is Amarkantak. After that they had their food and bath and they went back home happy. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceived three characters, one male and two female. The age range is between 2 to 30 years old and the action of my story is visit to the beach. Aditya is a 30-year-old man, a mechanical engineer working in Vivan Solutions in Mahabalipuram. His two nieces came to his house in their summer vacation along with their family. They requested him to take them to the beach and he agreed and took them to the beach on Sunday. They stayed there for a while. Aditya bought them some beach jewelry, chocolates and enjoyed there for a while. Later they enjoyed having a lunch together and got back to home. Thank you.
And even from the given story, I have perceived three characters, two males, one female, age ranging from 3 to 26 years. Rahul, the protagonist of my story, is a 26-year-old graduate working in a multinational company with a good stipend. One day, he got a leave of 1 month. So, the action of my story is enjoying the leave with family during summer holidays. So, he went with the family, booked the railway tickets early, packed up the luggages, logistics, clothes, and various utensils which will be needed for him. And therefore, he booked a hotel online, booked the food facility, and went to enjoy the vacation with the family in Goa. During the trip, it was a 30-day trip. So he also looked after some of the NGOs who were conducting the cleaning drive. He, with his family, joined the cleaning drive, took the initiative and cleaned some of the beach. He was happy for his work done.
Then from the given picture, I pursued two characters, one male and one female. Amit, who is a 23-year-old a student of IIT Kanpur, has decided to go on the river side of Ganga on the weekend. He convinced his friend Asha to go with her and they together go to the beach. There they go to the riverside. There they enjoyed a lot, and there they also see the cleaning process, and they in done with the men who are cleaning at the riverside and work with him and enjoyed the lot.
There everyone, from the given picture I have perceived three characters. There everyone, from the given picture I have perceived three characters, two male and one female, and the age bracket is between 2 to 17 years, and the overall mood of my picture is positive. The action of my story is enjoying summer vacation at the beach. Ramesh, a 17-year-old boy, is from Odisha. He is the eldest of the three siblings. In the summer vacation, we decided to spend time on the beach. So we took her sister along with her and her small brother. They went to the beach, took bath, played with water. Ramesh also held his small brother in his hand and took near to the water to get his feet in the water for him to feel the water. After that, they had snacks and went home happily.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have perceived there are two characters. One is male and second one is female. Their age range is around 21 to 23 years old. They all are in the positive mood. Ram is a part of an NGO. He decided to organize a plantation drive in the surrounding area. He firstly collected all the information about the nearby area. They also purchased the trees and the essential items. On the day of the Environmental Day, 5th of June, They spread the awareness about the plant and the importance of the plants. And they also spread the importance through the skit, drama, and the poster. In this way, their plantation drive was successful.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown, I have perceived two characters, one male, one female. Age bracket 26 to 20 years old. Mood of the picture is positive. Action of my story is analyzing the sand structure. Anaya, 26, pursuing PhD in zoology from Kochi, along with a buddy, went to the beach to collect the samples of the sands in order to work on her dissertation topic, which is the sand structures and its impact on ecosystem. Firstly, they observed the surroundings and the structure of the sand. Then on, they collected the samples using the digger machine, which they implanted near the water, because of which they could collect the small creatures along with the sand from beneath the 1 feet of the sand. And then on, they also ensured that it is packed properly with proper labels. Later, when they went back, they analyzed and compared with other existing structures which they have collected and presented the report in front of the professor. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived two characters from the picture, one male and one female, age ranging between 20 to 23 years. The protagonist of my story is Ramesh. Ramesh is a 23-year-old research student in IIT Kharagpur and currently is pursuing his PhD. During his sem break, he along with his friends decided to take a project collecting various water samples to help an NGO to survey the water across the different beaches in the country. During one of his campaigns, he went to a beach and he was collecting the sample where he saw a young lady struggling to calm her pet down. He helped her and he played with the pet and calmed him down and then collected the sample survey and went back to his college, submitted it and completed his assignment. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived three characters. The age criteria is between 1 year to 29 years, and all our mood is being positive. The action of my story is enjoying holiday on the beach. So Vibhu, who is 29-year-old, live in Kerala and working in an MNC company. One day, on the next day is a holiday, so they decided to go to the beach. He went to the beach with his daughter and his wife. When he saw that there is a garbage on the beach like plastic, wrappers, coke, so first he collected that garbage. He placed many dustbin there on the beach, many small dustbin, and placed a board on which he wrote that clean beach look more beautiful. Further, he enjoyed on the beach by making castles, by collecting their shells to make some artifacts and enjoyed their snakes. After that, they went to the home and were very happy. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. As per the picture shown to us today, I perceive there are two characters, one male, one female, age bracket is 21 to 25 years old and all are in a positive mood. The action of my story is conducting a cleanliness drive in the beach with his colleague. Ram, 22 years old, is a junior executive in NTPC Limited, works in Goa. One day when he went for a morning jog near the beach, he saw that the beach was filled with garbage and dirt. He went there, took the initiative and started cleaning the beach. Later on, all the people who are there at the beach has joined him and started cleaning the beach with him. He next day discussed it with his colleague in the office and they decided that on next vacation they all will go in the beach and done a cleanliness drive so that people can develop the basic civic sense and can realize the value of clean India. And everyone has conducted the cleanliness drive and ensured that people can also learn from it. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I have perceived three characters from the story, two female and a male. Age bracket ranging from 3 to 29 years. The overall mood of the picture is positive. The action of my story is scene of a beach visiting Daman and Diu for a vacation. Sheena, a 28 years old, 28 years old mother with her 3 years old daughter, along with her husband, went to Daman and Diu for vacation in the month of December. Sheena wanted her child to experience all the experience from a very experience everything from a young age, and they went to Jampur beach in Daman. Her child felt had the feeling of sand and sea water for the very first time. They also found a jellyfish on the shore and played with it. It brought her child immense happiness. Seeing them, Sheena felt immense joy and happiness. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived three characters, two male and one female. Age bracket ranging between 2 to 30 years old. Overall mood of the picture is positive. Ram, a 30-year-old software engineer, works in a multinational company in Pune. One weekend, he decides to go on the beach of Alibaug to spend time with his wife and little child. They go to Alibaug, stay at a beautiful resort, and then when they visit the beach together, he plays with his child. His wife collects seashells, and they both build sand castles together and have a very heartful vacation together filled with love. Satisfied with the time spent with his family, on Monday he returns back to his office and starts working again diligently. Thank you.
Then everyone, in the given picture, I have perceived two major characters, one male and one female. The age group ranging from 20 to 26 years. Raj, a 25-year-old BTech graduate, was noticing a recent increase in pollution in Goa beaches. So he decided to take the initiative along with his younger sister, Rahi, a 20-year-old student, to clean the beaches regularly in Goa, specifically on Sundays. After which, cleaning the beaches, he also distributed the pamphlets which contained information about the cleanliness of beaches and distribution of garbage in the local society. After this, he also went to his colleagues and talked about the importance of cleanliness of beaches in a society, and started a local community which would clean the beaches on every weekend and motivated others as well for cleaning the beaches and helping in its cleanliness. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. Today I have perceived three characters from the picture. Two are male and one is female. The age bracket of my story is 4 to 25 years, and the action of my story is the scene of a village where young elders are inspiring young children. So, Prakash, a 25-year-old BTech graduate, went to his village on Diwali vacations to relive his childhood memories. There, while he was walking with his sister Rama, he noticed a young child who was playing with his friends, and so he wanted to infuse the knowledge of environmental friendliness to the child. So he called upon the child and asked him to plant a sapling in their neighborhood, and asked him to water the sapling daily so that the sapling could become a tree one day. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have received three characters, two male and one female, age ranging from 3 to 32 years old. The overall mood of the picture is positive. The action of my story is visiting for a vacation at Goa. Ram, a 32-year-old man, is living in Goa. One day he receives a call from his sister requesting him to take his niece and nephew to the Goa beaches because they had a keen interest in the ocean. So he took them there. In the beach, Ram and his niece and nephew played in the beaches. They splashed with the water and they built many sandcastles together. This made a very memorable memory for the niece and nephew. They will never forget this for their lifetime, as it was their first time in the beaches. Ram was also satisfied, so was his sister. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived two characters. Age ranges between 25 to 28, and action of my story is researching the soil. Ram and Riya was a government officer in the research department. They have to take the samples of the soil for the construction of the bridge. So they went to the Goa beach and take the samples there and research for the construction. They have and the project was very smooth, and they have constructed the beach, constructed the bridge, and many and they have and this project have declined the traffic problem in the city. Thank you.
You can start your GD.
I think we all have
the two babies are his nieces and they have come to vacation to
I think there are two characters in the picture and we can see everyone enjoying the picture. So basically they went to the beach and explored there and had a good time together.
As we are saying that there are three characters in the picture, so we cannot say that they are enjoying the vacation because the child is like,
Yeah, we can summarize that they are enjoying the beach.
You can start.
I think we can take as a common story that they are enjoying in the nature and also cleaning the surrounding and taking spending the time together.
as I can see that they have taken their child along with them. So it might be his first
Also observed
experience.
that the ladies carrying a
So they have done shopping.
taking a garbage kind of thing.
Or we can also say that
Because the beach is already there.
as you can see in the background, it was already actually clean. We can actually not see the
And there is not any
So we can
people
see that they connected the pot cell and they put it in the bathroom. So it can be also like that.
They have purchased the beach jewelry or chocolates.
Yes,
I think we can take a common story that they went to the beach and they are enjoying
the vacation.
Made first pictures from the sand.
And they have perceived two.
So from this
Just because one baby is
yes, they
standing.
also perceive these So adding to the action.
But garbage was present on the beach, so we can also see that.
We can take a common topic which is going to beach and
We can conclude that they are just going to enjoy their vacation spot as they make sanitizers. They collect the shells, they enjoy their stay.
How they are related? How are they related?
I think that should be
How are they related?
They are the parents of
They are family.
the maid who's holding the hand of the
Parents are
child.
state.
and then
Jai Hind sir. From the group discussion, we all have perceived that there are three characters. The age range is between 2 to 30 years old, and we have perceived two male and one female. And the action of our story is a visit to the beach. So Aditya is a 30-year-old man who is working in an MNC company and lives in Daman and Diu. And two nieces have come to visit his home, and they requested him to take them to the beach, and they enjoyed there, made some fun structures from the sand, took some beach jewelry and sweets and enjoyed there. Thank you.
Next.
Thank you group for nominating me, Jain sir. From the picture shown, we have perceived there are three characters, two female, one male, and age bracket between 2 to 30 years old. And mood of the picture is positive. The action of our story is enjoying the vacation with the family. So Mohit, who was 28 years, along with his wife and little child, went to the beach of Mahabalipuram, and there they enjoyed together, where they gave the experience of the first beach of the sand and also the waters to the child, and along and together they also constructed the sand castles, collected the corn shells, and enjoyed in the water, and they spent their time happily. Thank you.
Jai Hind sir, thank you for nominating me. So from the given picture we have concluded a common story in which we have perceived there are 3 characters. The age criteria is between 1 to 29-year-old and all our mood is being positive. The action of our story is spending their time on the beach. So Vibhu, who is 29-year-old, live in Kerala, and it is that holiday. So he decided to went to the beach with his family. So he went to the beach with his family, in which he also had the small child, like 1 year old. So he went to the beach for the first time. So he splashes the water, and also they make sand castles on which that his child were played, and also collect the shell artifact for making shells for making artifacts, and they enjoyed their snacks, their other activities, and went to home happily. Thank you.
Thank you group for nominating me. Jai Hind everyone. In the given picture, I have identified 3 major characters, the 2 males and 1 female. The age group ranging from 2 to 26 years. So the action of my story is enjoying a family vacation with a family. So basically, Raj, a 26-year-old BTech graduate, planned a family trip to Goa along with his 2-year-old child. On the beach, he decided to make sandcastles with his child and collected seashells. He wanted that this experience would be remembered by his child forever. He also taught his child about waves and made a fun experience throughout. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you group for nominating me, Jain sir. From the healthy conclusion of the good discussion, we have came to a conclusion that there were 3 characters in the story, and 2 is male and 1 is female. The action of my story is enjoying at the river side and also taking part in the cleaner drive taking place there. Amit, who is a 25-year-old MNC graduate, has come to the home for in holidays, and he with his wife had decided to go on the river side to enjoy the movement there. On the river side they played with their child and splashed water on the child, and also take part there the cleaning drive which is taking part out there. Thank you.
Thank you group for nominating me, Jai Hind sir. From the given picture we have perceived 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female, and the age bracket is between 2 to 28 years, and the overall mood of the story is positive, and the action of the story is enjoying vacation at the beach. Ramesh, a 28-year-old from Odisha, works in a MNC company. In the summer vacation, they planned a trip to the beach. So Ramesh and his wife, along with their 2-year-old son, went to the beach for the first experience of beach for their child. They went to the beach, collected the seashells, bathed in the ocean water, and had their snacks. Altogether, they had a pleasant time at the beach and made memories forever. And after that, they went home happily. Thank you.
Thank you group for nominating me. Jai Hind sir. From this story we have perceived 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female. The age bracket is between 2 to 30 years. The overall mood of the picture is positive. Ram, a 30-year-old software engineer, works in Pune, and one weekend he decides to go to Alibag beach with his wife and his little child to spend time with them. They go at the beach, live in a resort, and then in the beach they build sand castles together, collect seashells, and have a very good time together, build very good memories together. And then he returns home happily, satisfied that he had been able to spend time with his family. Thank you.
Thank you, Guru, for nominating me. Jai Hind sir. From the story, I have perceived three characters. Two are male and one is female. So the action of my story is a visit to a Goa beach, and overall mood of the story is positive, and the age bracket of the story is 4 to 25 years. So Prakash, a young MNC employer, went to beach with his family on the weekend, and there they built up their tent, they built up sand castles and enjoyed food along with the family. They clean up the beach, and also they went for a good experience at the beach. Thank you.